Have you ever wondered if birds get lost when they migrate? I mean, how do they travel thousands of miles and still find the same exact spot every year? Well, it turns out birds have a built-in GPS. No smartphones needed. They use the sun, stars, landmarks, and even the Earth's magnetic field to navigate. Some birds, like homing pigeons, can find their way back home from hundreds of miles away, even if they've never been to that location before. But do they ever mess up? Sometimes, especially during storms or if they're really young and still learning the route. Even nature's best travelers can hit a wrong turn. Amazing, right?